Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I'm Liz, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make some really cute Christmas gifts while using your Cricut. Thank you to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and jump right on in. For this first one, you are going to grab some hot pads from the Dollar Tree. I picked up a 2-pack in the red color. I'm going to go onto my Cricut Design Space, click on images, and I'm going to find these two images right in that Cricut Design Space. All I did was type in Christmas baking, and I just scrolled through until I found some Christmas baking designs that I thought would be really cute on these hot pads. All you have to do is click on them and then click add to canvas. They will go onto your canvas and you just size them to the size that you need. Once you've got it to the size that you need it, you're going to click on make it. And because I'm going to be using HTV vinyl, you want to make sure that your images are flipped. So you're just going to click on the mirror button for both the mats. Now, technically, I didn't need a black and a red mat. These both could have just been white and cut out on the same mat. But, you know, I like to make things more complicated for myself since they're both going to be cut out in white. Anyways, you're going to click on your everyday iron on for your materials. And then I'm going to use my Cricut Maker to cut out all of today's projects. So I just used some white iron-on vinyl and I'm just going to go through and weed it. The nice thing about using HTV vinyl is that the vinyl itself isn't sticky, so it's really easy to weed, a whole lot easier than just your regular adhesive vinyl. So I love using HTV a lot. It just makes my life so much easier, and plus you can make all sorts of really fun things with it. So I just go through and weed out both of my designs, making sure to get all the middle pieces from the P's and the A's and E's, and double checking to make sure I've removed every piece of vinyl that isn't supposed to be there. Now I'm just going to center my decals on top of my hot pads. And then I personally like using a Teflon sheet over top of my decals. You don't necessarily have to do this. I just like to use it as a little added protection in between all the layers. And then I'm just going to use my Cricut Easy Press to adhere my vinyl to my hot pad. I just removed the plastic sheet. And that's all you have to do for these. These are super easy to do. This took me maybe 10 minutes to make, especially because I didn't have to do any of the designing. I just picked images from Cricut Design Space, and that's it. You could add it to a cute little gift bag, add some cookie mix from the Dollar Tree, and that's all you got to do. How cute are these hot pads? And this is such an easy and affordable gift option. For this next gift idea, if you have somebody who is really into fashion and her accessories, I picked up a couple different types of faux leather, some from Hobby Lobby, and then I also picked up this earring maker kit off of Amazon. It comes with all the tools that you need, plus a ton of sheets of faux leather in all sorts of different colors and different patterns. I thought this was so much fun. So I am going to pick some colors from there, and then I'm also going to use those 2 sheets from Hobby Lobby. Now all I'm going to do is go to my Cricut Design Space. I'm going to click on images, and then I'm going to type in the word earring, and then here all these different images pop up, and you can actually find patterns for earrings. So I just scrolled through, found a couple different designs that I liked. I found 2 different ones, and I'm going to show you how I made a third design using one of them. So in this one teardrop set that has the little kind of leafy design down it, I wanted this to just be completely solid. So what I'm going to do is click on that and then click on contour, and I will just click on those 2 little designs right in the middle, and that will just make it completely blank. So then I just have a solid teardrop shape. I'll just size it to the size that I want it, Click on browse all materials. I clicked on the faux suede and then did less pressure. I found that worked really well for the material that I used. And then I just cut all these out. I did make sure to have the front side facing down, so these were all cut out on the back side of the leather. Now once these are all cut out, I'm going to go through and remove all of this from the strong grip mat, and I'm just going to work on putting all my earrings together. So the Amazon pack comes with the little jump hoops and then the earring pieces. You just got to open those up, slide them through the holes from your leather earrings and then into the hole of the earring piece, and then clamp it back together. Super, super easy. Really, anybody can do that. There's no skill required. Another thing that you could do if you don't want your earrings to have a wrong or a right side, you could cut out 2 times the amount to glue them together back to back so it looks the same on the front and the back, if that makes sense. I'm probably explaining this terribly, but that's always an option, just cutting out more and then gluing the back sides together. Then you don't have that wrong side of the leather showing, but it's totally up to you. Obviously doing that is going to give you thicker earrings. So I cut out 5 pairs of earrings, and from start to finish, this project maybe took me 15 to 20 minutes. Really, really easy, and I think that these turned out so cute. So if you have somebody who loves jewelry, these are so much fun to make, and I think that they will love them for a gift for Christmas. For this next gift idea, I am going to show you how I made this super adorable shirt using some regular vinyl, some pattern vinyl, and some glitter vinyl. So I found this SVG off of Etsy. It came with the ability to do the buffalo check, but I already had buffalo check pattern, so I just deleted all those black lines to the word time and to the tree, just so that they did not cut anything extra. It's just cutting the word and the tree. And I am going to be using HTV vinyl again, so I'm going to make sure that everything is mirrored. And then I'm going to be using 3 different kinds of materials for this one. So I'm going to be using pattern vinyl, glitter on, iron on vinyl, and then just your everyday vinyl. You just want to make sure you are clicking the correct one when you are choosing your materials. And all you got to do is go through and cut it all out. Super easy. And then you're just going to weed everything out on afterwards. And when you're doing HTV vinyl, make sure that the shiny side is down. For the glitter vinyl, I put the glitter side down. And then for my pattern vinyl, you want to make sure that it is face down as well, so that the carrier sheet is on the bottom. You don't want the carrier sheet cut. You want the vinyl itself cut. So that is going to be faced down as well. And then I'm just going to take it over to my desk. I'm going to use this t-shirt that I got from Cricut as well. This is one of their t-shirt blanks. And I'm just going to start by kind of ironing it out, just using the easy press. I just use that to get all the wrinkles out of my shirt. And I am going to start laying my vinyl down, kind of figuring out where exactly I want it to go, where it's going to look best. And then I'll just start using my heat press to adhere them all to my shirt. So I just started out with my pattern vinyl, adding my Teflon sheet on top, and then using my easy press to adhere the vinyl to the shirt. Just make sure that you are using the correct settings for the temperature and the time. You can go on Cricut's website and actually find all the heating instructions on there with the type of material that you have. So I would check that out if you aren't sure what temperature or how long to do your vinyl for, your HTV projects. So I just start layering these one by one, starting with my pattern vinyl, then my black vinyl, and then my glitter vinyl. And that's all you got to do. Super, super easy. And this turned out so cute. This is actually the very first shirt that I made, and I was very proud of myself. I thought it turned out super cute. So making your own t-shirts is so much fun, and that I think make perfect gifts for your family and friends for the holidays. For this next one, I thought this was so much fun. I found this really adorable SVG off of Etsy, and I just had to make it. So if you know someone who loves Hallmark movies and loves Christmas movies, this is a perfect one for you. So these are going to go onto some socks. This is going to cut into 3 different sections. The If You Can Read This, the Leave Me Alone, I'm watching Hallmark movies, and then the ornament and the little boots will be cut separately as well. So the first 2 sayings are just going to be in your normal white iron-on. Make sure that you flip all your images so that they're mirrored. And then for the ornament and the shoes, that is going to be in a sparkly gold HTV, which is just so cute. I picked up some really cute fuzzy socks from Costco. I just ironed them out a little bit so that there wasn't that line down the middle. And then I'm just going to iron on my decals onto my socks. Easy and simple. Took me maybe 10 minutes to make. And I just think it's adorable. All you got to do for the glitter iron on is just layer it on after I put the white words on there. And that's it. You have these really cute pair of socks that are funny, and I just think that they are perfect for anybody who loves some Christmas movies during the holidays. Now, if you want to save yourself some money on buying a ton of Christmas cards this year, I would recommend using your Cricut. And you don't have to do anything fancy. You can just keep it really simple like this. Head over to your images on Design Space, type in Merry Christmas, go to Operation Type and click on Draw Only. This is going to allow you to use your pen for your Cricut, and I think this turned out super cute. I found this really adorable Merry Christmas print on there that I am going to make for a card. So I just click it and click add to canvas. I'm going to click on the images and grab a square with the rounded corners, and I'm just going to add that to the back. I tried to make it about the same size as the Merry Christmas, and then I center them both together and then click attach so that they will stay exactly like that together when it's drawing and cutting out. You could make a whole batch of these and give them to your friends, write a little note on the back of them, or, when you're giving them with a gift, you can write the to and from on the back. Something that's just super easy and super simple, and it's going to save you from having to go to the store and buying a whole ton of cards for so many people. You can just make this with your Cricut, and boom, you're done. And that's all you got to do. Something super, super easy. And I think that this looks really cute. You could use it on so many different kind of paper that you have. I had this really pretty red and white striped paper. I used a gold metallic marker from Cricut, and I just think that this turned out so adorable. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed these Cricut gift ideas. Let me know what your favorite project was in the comments down below. Also, if you guys did not know, my husband and I just started a family vlog channel. I will leave it in the description box below so that you can go and check out our little vlogs. If you like family type videos and you want to see a little bit more behind the scenes of my life and my family's lives, make sure to check out our channel, subscribe, let me know that you came and watched. And that's it. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you guys leave. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.